Hey everyone, it's Mimsy here. I am going to show you a really quick tutorial on how I made a concrete lamp with a bag of quikrete. It's for the quikrete One Bag Wonder Challenge. So here we go. So the first thing I did was to take apart the old lamp that I bought at the thrift store. The main purpose of this part is to get a hold of that metal lamp post there, and also the lamp kit where you plug in the bulb as well as the cord, the lamp cord. Those are the pieces that you want to keep. Then I went outside and mixed up my cement. I used the quikrete quick setting cement and the cement colorant in a charcoal color or black. I poured some water into my bucket first and then put my cement and colorant on top of that and mixed it up until I got a consistency of about toothpaste. Then I took that cement and I poured it into my glass globe that I also bought at a thrift store. Filled that up until it was flat at the top. Of course, the bottom is totally round. And then I put that in a pan to hold it and leveled it out so that it would be flat at the top and not unlevel. I then took my lamp post and basically just shoved that into the concrete until I got it down to the bottom of the glass so that I have a way to put my lamp cord all the way through the cement. I leveled that up. I stuck my level on that to make sure that my post was plumb. That's really important that your post is plumb all the way around. Then I took that and put it in a couple bags and tapped it with a hammer to break the glass off once, of course, the cement was cured a bit. It was still warm from curing, and I found that the glass broke off real easy when it was still warm. So then I took it out of there, took that post out of there, that lamp post out of there, and switched it around. I rubbed it with some Rub and Buff to give it a nice gold color. Rub and Buff is awesome. So I put that all over the lamp post to color it gold, and then I put it back into my cement ball, and then basically just installed my lamp again. I put the lamp cord through the lamp post and down through the concrete, pulled it down, and then I carved out a little notch there for the lamp cord to sit when I set it down, and just basically assembled the lamp back together. That was pretty much it. I did get a new lampshade on Amazon, so it's beautiful, and there it is. There's my lamp. It's super simple, you guys. It was a very easy project to do and really inexpensive, and I love it. So thanks, you guys.